Gentlemen, welcome aboard. My name is Maylee and I will be serving as your purser today. At this time, all portable electronic devices must be turned off and remain off until 10 minutes after takeoff. Radios, remote control devices may not be used on this flight at any time until we've landed in Newark. Shortly, we will be giving you a safety demonstration highlighting safety features of this Boeing 767. We know many of you fly frequently, but to reinforce what you already know and to enable those around you to hear our safety procedures, we ask that you please cease all conversations. We also ask if you're reading anything, a book, newspaper, magazine, that you please put those reading materials aside. Believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen, the next 3 to 5 minutes are extremely critical and could actually save your lives in case of an actual emergency evacuation. Also, federal law requires that all passengers be familiar with the safety information cards you can find in the seat pocket in front of you. So we ask that you go ahead at this time and take them out.
Hi, and welcome. We're happy to have you aboard. And we appreciate your attention as we get this safely off and roll.
FAA regulations require you to follow the instructions of our crew members and comply with all posted and lighted signs. Please review the safety card located at your seat.
It's important to have your seatbelt on at all times. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the metal end into the buckle. Tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle to release. When the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt must be fastened low and tight across your lap. In case of unexpected turbulence, keep your seatbelt fastened even when the seatbelt sign is off.
In United Polaris Business Class, if your seat has a shoulder strap, you can fasten your seatbelt, then secure the shoulder strap by placing the metal fitting over the lock and pulling on the strap until it clicks. The shoulder strap must be secured for taxi, takeoff, and landing. To release, push down on the metal fitting and lift.
Please take a moment to look around in order to familiarize yourself with the aircraft. This Boeing 767 is equipped with 8 exit doors, 4 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are opened in an emergency, slides will automatically inflate. In a water landing, all exit doors except those located just behind the wings are equipped with slide rafts, which detach from the aircraft and are used as life rafts. The 2 doors located just behind the wings are equipped with slides and should not be used in a water landing unless advised by a crew member. All 8 exits are marked with overhead signs. As you locate the 2 exits nearest your seat, remember, they may be behind you.
If you are seated in an exit row, you may be asked to assist the crew during an evacuation. If you are unable or uncomfortable performing exit row functions and assisting in an emergency, please ask a flight attendant to be moved. If you must evacuate the aircraft, exit path lights on or near the floor will illuminate and guide you to the exit. Look for a change in color or an exit sign to indicate that you have reached an exit. For everyone's safety, leave all carry-on bags behind. Please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit doors on this aircraft.
If necessary, oxygen masks will drop from a compartment above your seat and ceiling compartments in the lavatory. Pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tubing and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic band over your head, and tighten the straps. The bag may not inflate while oxygen is flowing. Make sure your mask is secure before helping others.
Should you need it, you will find a life vest equipped with the water-activated light in a pouch under, between, or next to your seat. When directed, pull the tab to remove the pouch. If present, remove the strap from around the pouch. Tear open the pouch, remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head, wrap the belt around your waist, and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end and tighten. Inflate your vest just prior to exiting the aircraft by pulling down sharply on the red tab. also inflate the mesh by blowing into the tube.
This aircraft is also equipped with infant light vests, which will be distributed if necessary.
Smoking, vaping, using e-cigarettes, or smokeless tobacco are not allowed on this aircraft. FAA regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying lavatory smoke detectors. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with lighted signs and crew member instructions.
No boarding.
Make sure you've switched all smartphones, tablets, and e-readers to airplane mode. For taxi, takeoff, and landing, large electronic devices must be turned off and stow. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise you if it's necessary to turn off and stow all devices. We'll be taking off soon. Please review the safety card located near your seat. Store your tray table, food and beverages, carry-on items, headrest, and footrest. Make sure your seat back is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Please place your personal item under the seat in front of you. If you lose your phone or other device under a seat, ask a flight attendant to help find it. Please do not move the seat, as this can damage the device and its battery.
We know that who you choose to travel with matters as much as where you're going. So thank you for choosing to fly with United.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention. Flight attendants will now be going through the aisles, making their final safety checks before we take off. If you have any questions regarding safety, please ask the flight attendant at this time. Once again, please remind that the United Airlines is a non-smoking airline. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying lavatory smoke detectors. Federal law also requires that all passengers comply with lighted signs, flaggers, cockpit, and flight attendant instructions. At this time, we ask that you please ensure that your seat backs are full upright positions. Headrests must be lowered at the time, tray tables must be stowed, seatbelts securely fastened, and all aisles and exits must be clear of everything other than your feet. Should an emergency evacuation become necessary, please leave all carry-on items behind. If you're sitting in the exit rows, all electronic devices must be unplugged from our outlets until after takeoff. And please ensure that your window shades are in full upright position so you can clearly see out the windows in case of an actual emergency evacuation. If you're sitting in Polaris, please ensure that your seat backs are in full upright position. Headrests must be lowered at this time, tray tables must be stowed, seatbelts securely fastened, and all aisles and exits must be clear of everything other than your feet. Should an emergency evacuation become necessary, please leave all carry-on items behind. Your shoulder strap, ladies and gentlemen, or should be attached to your seat belt. Leg brace should be lowered at this time. Area around the feet once again clear, and a little green light on your armrest should be illuminated green. Flight attendants prepare the cabin for departure. Please take your jump seat. final approach and landing in Newark. We ask at this time that if you have any electronic devices on, other than a cell phone, iPad, or note that you still have placed in airplane mode, the rest must be turned off, remain off, until you've cleared customs. Please ensure that your seat backs are in full upright position. Headrests must be lowered at this time, tray tables must be stowed, seatbelts securely fastened, and all aisles and exits must be clear of everything other than your feet. Should an emergency evacuation become necessary, please leave all carry-on items behind. If you're sitting in our exit rows, all electronic devices must be unplugged from our outlets from this point forward throughout the rest of the flight. Flight attendants, prepare the cabin for arrival and please take your jump seats. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Newark, where the time now is approximately 1:21 p.m. We will be taxiing for a few more minutes. Please remain in your seats as fast as the seatbelt sign has been turned off, and do not smoke until you're in a designated smoking area or at least 5 feet outside of the terminal building. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure that you have all your personal belongings, and please use care when opening all overhead bins, as contents may have shifted during the flight. If you are continuing on with United, United Express, or one of our Star Alliances, please check television monitors in the terminal for gate information, or check with the customer service representative for connection information. On behalf of your Newark in-flight crew, we'd like to thank each and every one of you flying with us today. We do realize that you do have a choice of airlines, and we truly do appreciate your business. Also, at this time, you're more than welcome to turn your cellular phones on cellular mode to make your personal phone calls. However, once you leave the aircraft, all electronic devices must be turned off or remain off until you've cleared customs. Ladies and gentlemen, once we come to the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign, we ask that you refrain from coming towards the flight attendants until after they finish up their important safety procedures prior to opening the cabin doors. Once again, please do not come forward towards the flight attendants until they do their important safety procedures. Once again, thank you and have a great day.
De parte de todos nosotros en United, de nosotros Star Alliance, hemos disfrutado de tener nuestro invitado hoy en los cielos amistosos. Esperamos volver a verle pronto. Una vez que se apague la señal de apretar el cinturón de seguridad, manténganse alejado del área de la puerta para permitir que los auxiliares de vuelo cumplan con importantes tareas de seguridad. Gracias y bienvenidos.
Remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. o'clock check. Stand by for all call.